love you so much.
I don't know yet. I don't know yet.
I haven't called her yet. I was like, what do you think?
Connection. Call back. Call me right back. Oh my gosh, Haley, congratulations.
God, I'm so happy for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, babe.
Oh, good.
Congratulations, Kyle Lewis and Haley Cairo. You have bought a house.
Oh my god. Like, it's accepted.
Yep, just got the signature.
This is the last walkthrough before settlement tomorrow. I just found out that this is tiled to the wall. Fantastic. These floors are getting ripped out on Saturday, as is this. Not doing the dining room yet, because this wall is coming out. Coming up. Oh, oh, Kyle loves these counters. I do not, but that's okay. I needed them. Actually, since you're here, can you help me with the boxes?
You want help? And now you're in the way. Oh my god. Squeeze!
Have you and Dave over.
Whole squad's here.
So much fun. Yeah.
I just, you know, the vlog content, baby, content.
This is my name. I love it. My name's Morgan. I know how to work the vlog.
Because we always get coffee. Theme here.
I didn't get you anything.
You got us a house.
I didn't have time. It was very stressful.
What is she not understanding about? We bought, like, she got us the house.
What the is this? What?
No. No, shush your mouth. Stop it.
I'm not gonna read the card to take it back.
Morgan.
Take it or you're not getting any tile.
That's rude. Thank you. Hug me.
Bird? Rude. I keep turning off his music. Kyle's getting the floors, putting them in the truck. He wastes no time. We literally settled 30 minutes ago. God bless him. Look at my mans. So we are just gonna get a little organized and head up to the house, move the floors, celebrate at some point, because holy crap, we just bought a house. This is what I have to live with. Thank God it's winter time. He goes, I can do this. I own this. Dave's getting the trash for the first time. There we go. Going around with sticky notes and labeling things that need to get painted, need to get taken down. For one, this lovely wall fixture that they've tiled to the drywall. There's a big one here. Let's go. finished up at the house and got a lot done actually for being there for like 3-ish hours. Just kind of helped Derek with getting all the nails out of the house. The previous owners literally must have hung up so much stuff. It is unreal. And he had to go around and patch stuff with putty and fix our drywall. Was pulling up nails. It wasn't like a super exciting reno day, so that's why I didn't film a lot, because like you really want to watch me pull up nails. We also put the paint samples on the wall. We did Sherwin-Williams Alabaster and Sherwin-Williams Pure White. There's 2 other colors from Benjamin Moore I think I'm gonna get before we make our final decision. And we're doing pretty much all white for right now, and then as we continue to renovate the house, maybe do some extra accent colors, but we'll see. We're getting our septic pumped out today, and our friends who own the McGovern Environmental Company, they're out here pumping our septic. And we just went to Lowe's to pick up a bunch of stuff that we needed for more reno stuff, but here's what we're working with. All of the floors are out, fireplace is out, got some samples on the wall, took out the tile, and oh my goodness. Yep, that's a hole. Sweet. Babe, I put a hole in my foot. I put a hole in my foot. And I stepped on a nail. Can I have some boots? The best part was I filmed it.
Sure.
This is wonderful.
I'm gonna need a tetanus shot.
I got one last year.
You got one last year?
I think so.
Okay. Best part is I'm filming.
I'm walking and turned off and it was like, and I was like, ugh. Time for some
You got a tetanus shot last year, right?
I'll double check.
Yeah. Because you might need one.
Going on, we are, well, just me actually. I'm up at the house right now, and I had a guy come out and do the security safety check on our heater, our heat pump for the propane. And now I am gonna be taking some measurements and removing some lights, but I just kind of wanna give you guys a little update on what we've done over the past 2-ish weeks. So let's go in the front and we'll do an empty reno house tour. Okay, so when you walk in, we have our dining room, our staircase, and our somewhat open concept living. We've gotten all the floor up. This was a hardwood entrance with carpet in here. The previous owners have a lot of different paint colors, so they've painted dark trim in here, but then you get the light trim in here. These are all different colors. So Derek, Kyle's dad, came in and did a bunch of patchwork for us last weekend. We've got a couple paint samples. We have Alabaster from Sherwin-Williams and Pure White from Sherwin-Williams. And then the fireplace, we're keeping the Naughty Pine, but we're painting it white. This whole room will be white. And we're doing Calicut quartz fireplace with a white picture frame surround. And then this is coming up to have hardwood floor go all the way through. We've got our kitchen and eat-in kitchen area. Kitchen's staying as is for right now. And then you can see it goes right to the dining room. We have the laundry and powder room. This is getting done. Me and my dad are gonna paint this. I think we're gonna do board and batten walls, and eventually we're gonna do a gold or like a brass marble console, but that'll be down the road. This is our laundry room, which we're painting alabaster white. And this is all the hookups for that. We're gonna take out this cabinet and we're doing built-ins. And then if you look over here, We have a ton of wall space where we're gonna put a brass rod to hang stuff. Oh, it's not focusing. Hello. And we're gonna change out these lights too. Pretty decent size. This is the entrance into our garage. This is getting insulated, and we are gonna do locker style built-in cabinetry. This is the home of our future garage gym. It's gonna be so sick. And probably do some kind of workbench situation for Kyle too, maybe right here. We have a closet and the basement door. This one day is all getting taken out. So we have a completely open kitchen, and we're gonna do a straight island, and we're taking out the pantry there and gonna do a built-in cabinet sort of thing for the pantry. We might be changing the wall structure here. We might be opening this up more, so it's an open staircase, and this also might be getting opened up. We're not totally sure yet. In the hallway has been taken up. This room, we're not gonna be doing anything with it for a while because it's my future office space. It's gonna get renovated and turned into a studio. Huge windows, dormer windows, the whole thing. This is our guest bedroom. It's actually a really great size. This is where I got the nail stuck in my foot the other day. The previous owners painted the doors, so we're gonna fix that. But it's a pretty good size room. I love the windows, the big windows that go almost to the floor. Yeah, so that's guest room. And then over here, we have future nursery. Kyle gets so annoyed when I say that. This is gonna be my temporary office space, so it has great light, and it's a little smaller, but still a really good size. Good size office, the closet. Probably gonna put my desk there. Nice little linen closet. And then our bathrooms are back to back. Were those lights on the whole time? I think they were. Gosh darn it. This is the guest bathroom. I actually kind of like the border there, so we're just gonna leave it for now until we actually renovate the whole bathroom. And then it's like it's a double room situation. This closet has its own linen, or this bathroom has its own linen closet, which I think is super nice. This is the master. Yeah. So the stripes are going, fan's going because it hangs really low. And we got my grandparents generously purchased the bed for us for Christmas, the Pottery Barn Tacoma storage bed. I'm super excited. And then this is Kyle's closet, and then our bathroom. Again, we're just painting the bathrooms for now. We're not renovating. It's pretty much the same situation. We can't really do a double vanity, unfortunately, I don't think, but yep, it's the bathroom. And then we're gonna take down that shelf, but we are gonna keep, I think, the TV thing. And then this is my closet to walk in. Leaving everything as is for now. Again, we've got plenty of time to renovate and do stuff, but how beautiful is this window in here? I'm really excited for this. Have a little vanity set up here. I'm thinking shoe wall here. So that is our new home. Oops. Super excited. I love projects, so I think Kyle's like coming around to the idea because it's like his house, whereas if it wasn't, he's like not about the projects, you know, which I understand. I guess I'll show you the dining room. I didn't really show it to you. I'm gonna keep the wainscoting, paint it white, but like a flatter white. It's kind of high gloss right now. We're gonna just do white in here for now, because things will be changing. Like that whole wall is going to be gone anyway, so, and probably most of this one. We definitely need to change these light fixtures and the fans. The fan in there is coming down, but my job today is to measure everything for the laundry room, because I think that's going to be my project with my dad, and then take out the black, you can't see them, the black plates. The plates down here are all black, and I need to make them white. FaceTime Mama.
Making a FaceTime call to mom.
I got Charlie horse. Why is no one coming down.
Okay.
This wall is getting subway tiled with white grout. I have all my Christmas.
Can you shut the garage door?
Yeah.
Today.
Ooh, really?
Yep. It's freaking carpet. I thought I was gonna start swimming.
You're on the vlog today.
Oh, I look beautiful after our
see her.
Eagles loss.
Oh, that was heartbreaking.
Yeah, it was. I felt bad for Carson.
Did you have a gallons 40?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
What else available?
He doesn't look 40. My
It's
neighbor's
3 or
back.
What?
Yeah, he's been gone for a while. And like,
Really?
even when he...
Maybe he's in the military or something.
No, he's not in the military. Not that neighbor. The weird one.
Yeah, I know.
He was not really there much, and when he was there, he kept his house like Fort Knox, like all the blinds down. And then Kyle has been there,
Right.
so he, you know, he's not gonna do anything. So he was away for like a week, and he just got back, and all I did was walk to my car, and the freaking
Blinds?
kitchen blinds
He
go
must
up.
be bored.
Like, I'm just getting into my car, and then the second I like turn out of my driveway, he closes them. I'm
That's weird.
like, what are you getting out of this?
I don't know. He's
It's-
lonely.
No, he's got that. Oh, watch! My car's gonna beep.
A little fast.
It's gonna tell me I'm a horrible driver.
You're alright. I just said you were going a little too fast.
I
going up
was.
to the stop
It's
sign.
these steel toe boots. I don't know how to drive with these things. They're like clunkers. I'm gonna kick my neighbor with them. I realized I didn't film an outro for this, excuse me, first vlog. I look like I need a nap. So this was over the course of, I want to say 2 to 3 weeks. Kyle has been just adjusting to work. I've been trying to split my time between the house and my work, and we're rocking and rolling, but I wanted to just show you guys the initial stage of the demo and the kind of inspiration for the house, and then an empty house tour. So I hope you guys liked this, and make sure you are subscribed so that way you don't miss a reno series video. I also have a ton of videos coming out for the 2020 budgeting and goal setting series. I really want this year to be intentional for all of us, and I've got a lot of content coming for you guys, and I want you to be a part of it. You guys can also follow me on Instagram at Haley Cairo. I've been sharing a lot of recipes and workouts lately, so definitely check that out. But as always, I hope you guys are doing fantastic, and I will see you next video.